Good morning, children. Welcome you all to today's class of science. Children, in our previous video, we have studied about igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. Okay, today we are going to study about metamorphic rocks. So, let's have a look how metamorphic rocks are formed. Children, metamorphosis means change in form. Means uh, metamorphic rocks are not different kind of rocks. They are made from igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. Under high extreme condition of heat and pressure, means under the high pressure and high temperature, the igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks only get changed into metamorphic rocks. Okay, you can see in the picture. जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया, पृथ्वी के कोर में मोल्टन मैग्मा होता है. ये मोल्टन मैग्मा जब पृथ्वी की सरफेस पे आता है और ठंडा होता है तो इग्नियस रॉक्स बनता है. ओके, बट समटाइम्स ये मोल्टन मैग्मा पृथ्वी के अंदर ही सरफेस में अंदर ही कूल डाउन होता है और इग्नियस रॉक्स बनता है. बट यहाँ पे क्या होता है, पृथ्वी के सरफेस का बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर पड़ने से और मोल्टन मैग्मा जो कि बहुत एक्सट्रीम हॉट रहता है उसका गर्मी से इग्नियस रॉक्स ही मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक में बदल जाते हैं. मीन्स मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स इग्नियस रॉक्स या सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स ही होते हैं जिनके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर और बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर के असर से ही इग्नियस रॉक्स मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स में चेंज हो जाते हैं. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. एंड इन दिस वे मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स आर फॉर्म. मीन्स मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स आर igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. These sedimentary rocks and igneous rocks contain various minerals, and these minerals break up due to extreme weather conditions, and these rocks get changed into metamorphic rocks. Okay, so move to the next topic. Now we will study about some types of metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are found in various types like marble. आप सभी जानते होंगे मार्बल. मार्बल इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्टोन and it is used to make statues and buildings. You know Taj Mahal, children? Taj Mahal is very beautiful and famous building. It is made from the white marble. Marble is found in so many colors, but generally white color marble are commonly used for making buildings. And this ताज महल, सभी जानते हैं ताज महल के बारे में. ताज महल वाइट मार्बल से बना हुआ है. हिंदी में मार्बल को संगमरमर कहते हैं और ये बहुत ही सुंदर पत्थर होता है और इसको बिल्डिंग्स और स्टैचू बनाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, अनदर टाइप ऑफ मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक इज स्लेट. सभी स्लेट जानते हैं. स्लेट ये डार्क कलर स्टोन है एंड ये सेडिमेंट्री रॉक से बना है. मीन्स स्लेट इज़ अ मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक बट इट इज़ मेड फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर एंड हाई टेम्परेचर ऑन सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. ओके, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो फाउंड इन layers. It is used for making bricks and cement. You can see here these bricks are made from slate. Such kind of bricks are made from slate. Slate is also used for making building purpose. Okay, another type of metamorphic rock is gneiss. Gneiss is a very beautiful stone and it is made from igneous rocks, granite. Means gneiss पत्थर ये igneous rock से बना है. Granite is a igneous rocks and on under the extreme pressure and temperature the granite change into gneiss stone. Okay, मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर और बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर में ग्रेनाइट पत्थर ही ग्नीस में बदल जाता. ग्रेनाइट इज़ अ इग्नियस रॉक्स and gneiss is metamorphic rock. Okay, so this rocks is found in light and dark color bands, and this stone is used for building material. You can see here the kitchen platform is made from gneiss stone. Okay, another type of metamorphic rock is quartzite, and quartzite is made from sandstone. Sandstone is sedimentary rocks, and under high pressure and temperature sandstone get changed into quartzite. It is very rich in quartz and very hard stone it is. Okay, and it is used to make statues, and also it is used in cement industry and glass industry. It have very shiny appearance, this quartzite stone. Okay, I hope you understood all the types of metamorphic rocks. There are 4 types of metamorphic rocks. First one, marble. Marble is used to make buildings, and marble is made from limestone. Marble is made from limestone. Limestone is sedimentary rock, and under high pressure and temperature limestone get changed into marble. So marble is very hard stone and a shiny appearance, so that it is used to make buildings. And Taj Mahal is made from white marble. Another type of metamorphic, slate. Slate is also dark colored, and it is used to make bricks and building purpose. Gneiss. Third type is gneiss. It is igneous rocks made from granite. Okay, and last one, quartzite. Quartzite is made from sandstone. Okay, sandstone is a sedimentary rocks, and from sandstone gneiss stone are made. It is used for building purpose and to make the statues. Okay, here are some questions for you children. Try to solve on your own. Okay, first question is, shell is an and options are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, or metamorphic rock. Another question is, limestone get metamorphosed in, and options are gneiss, marble, and quartzite. Third question is, the oldest rocks are igneous rock, sedimentary rocks, or metamorphic rock. Okay, so pause the video and try to solve this question on your own. Okay, now I am going to give the answers of this question. Okay, shell is a sedimentary rocks. Shell is sedimentary rock. Another question, limestones are get metamorphosed in. Limestone get metamorphosed in marble. Limestone is a sedimentary rocks, and on high temperature and pressure limestone get changed into marble. We have seen one example also. White marble is used for making building purpose, and one of the famous building of marble is Taj Mahal. Okay, third question was, the oldest rock was igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed from the molten magma or lava, and igneous rocks are oldest kind of rock. Okay, move to the next topic now. Now we will study about minerals. Children, minerals are the substance which are found in earth. मीन्स पृथ्वी में पाए जाने वाले कुछ केमिकल चीज़ें होते हैं, उन्हें मिनरल्स कहते हैं. दे आर फॉर्म बाय द डिफरेंट नेचुरल प्रोसेसेस. मीन्स मिनरल्स आर नॉट मैन मेड थिंग्स. मतलब मिनरल्स को कोई मैन नहीं बनाते, वो नेचुरल चीज़ें जो पृथ्वी में पाए जाते हैं. दे फॉर्म रॉक्स. They can be single or complex, and some minerals are non-metallic, such as calcite, mica. These are the non-metallic minerals. and we know that some metallic minerals also there, like silver, gold, aluminium, copper, which are found in earth, and these are the minerals. Minerals means ऐसी चीज़ें जो पृथ्वी में पाए जाते हैं naturally. These are not man-made things. Okay. Some minerals also needed by our body to keep us healthy. हमारे बॉडी को भी बहुत सारे मिनरल की आवश्यकता होती है, जैसे कि कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फोरस आर नीडेड फॉर हेल्दी ग्रोथ बोन्स एंड टीथ. हमारे हेल्दी बोन्स और टीथ के लिए हमें कैल्शियम और फॉस्फोरस की ज़रूरत होती है. ओके. एंड कोल एंड पेट्रोलियम ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मिनरल्स obtained from the earth, and coal and petroleum are very important nowadays. Without petroleum and coal, we cannot be survive nowadays. Okay, so first of all we will see coal. Coal is a very important mineral and important fuel and valuable mineral which is stored in the earth, and coal is a sedimentary. You can see some layers are found on coal. Okay, so it is a sedimentary rocks. Okay, let's have a look how coal is formed inside the earth. Children, millions of years ago, earth's surface was covered with forest and swamps. Millions of years our earth is covered with forest and swamp, but this forest got buried under the soil. बहुत साल पहले हमारा पृथ्वी फॉरेस्ट माने जंगल और स्वैम्प से घिरा हुआ था, बट कुछ सालों तो ये जंगल पृथ्वी के अंदर बरी हो गया. द forest and swamp got buried under the soil, and under the soil, due to the high pressure and high temperature, they got converted into coal. And you know that Asia is nearly 1/3 of the world coal reserves. Okay, I hope you understood how coal formation takes place inside the earth's surface. It is not it is very long process. Okay, so in India there are so many coal mines are there. So let's have a look where coal mines are situated in India. Okay, in Odisha the coal mines are situated in Talcher in Odisha, Raniganj in West Bengal, Jharia and Bokaro in Jharkhand, Singrauli and Umaria in Madhya Pradesh, and Naveli in Tamil Nadu, and Korba in our Chhattisgarh. These are the places where coal mines are situated in India. Okay, now move to the next topic. We will study about some uses of coal. Coal is used in villages for cooking. In villages mean गाँव एरिया में कोल या कोयला कुकिंग पर्पज़ के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर हीटिंग पर्पज़. ओके, क्योंकि कोल को बर्न करने से बहुत ज़्यादा हीट एनर्जी मिलती है. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन स्टीम इंजन. बहुत पहले जो हमारी ट्रेनें थी वो स्टीम इंजन से चलती थी, और वहाँ स्टीम को पानी को उबालने के लिए, मतलब स्टीम बनाने के लिए कोल को यूज़ किया जाता था. ओके, एंड कोल इज़ ऑल्सो यूज फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, एंड इट इज़ यूज्ड इन फर्नेस इन इंडस्ट्रीज. ओके, यू कैन सी द पिक्चर हाउ कोल is used in our daily life. Okay, in industries, coal is used as furnace fuel. You can see one of the furnace here, and गाँव में लोग ऐसी इस तरह की सिगड़ी में कोयला जला के खाना बनाते हैं. ओके, एंड वन ऑफ द अदर पिक्चर, see how coal gives us means used for heating purpose. Okay, so these are the uses of coal. Okay children, in our next video we will study about some another mineral, petroleum, and uses of petroleum, and book exercise. So that's all for today. Have a good day.